Hi everyone, welcome to Center Sensations. Thanks for joining me. I bought a dragonfly stencil and really wanted to do something with a stencil, but the paper that it comes on, the plastic is really thin. It's just like paper, really. So Greg made me a 3D printed dragonfly stencil, and I'm going to give it a whirl. This is completely a test. I don't know if it's going to work or not. Fingers crossed it does. Now, if you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button. I would really appreciate it. You never know what you're going to get when you visit my channel, so hit that subscribe button. All my regulars that keep coming back, always commenting, always giving me a thumbs up, keeping me very encouraged. Thank you so much, you guys. It means the world to me. So keep those comments and thumbs up coming, okay? Now, Greg's going to hit some music. The colors I'm going to be doing are all of my boom gels. I got lots of different colors pulled aside. And let's just give this a whirl and see if we can get ourselves a dragonfly stencil done with the pillow paint you would use for a bloom and the boom gels. Alrighty. House paint's going to go down. That's what my pillow paint is. Straight out of the can, nothing added to it. Hit the music, hun. Let's have some fun.
Original blue jeans, a triple backflip off a rusted tire swing, broken arm and trophy scars. Oh, that's one hell of a way to win a heart. It might kill him before we're done. At least it keeps us young. He was smoking those cigarettes down by the dock and racing my dad's Corvette against the clock. A 1950 classic red, that slow Patron buzz in our head. It might kill me before we're done. At least it keeps us young.
miles away, the sky's just as blue. It's as if I'm stuck in yesterday when I'm thinking of you. 'Cause when you have your morning coffee, I'm turning out the lights so I could dream. And when you smile through the screen, I wish you could be with me. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I'll start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I am time traveling. Da-da-da-da. Oh, today I am time traveling.
And every time that you are closing your eyes, I will be beside you. And my heart will glide across the miles to fly right to you. 'Cause when I dive into the traffic, the echo of your voice is all I hear. I'm never tired of your laughing so far, but ever so near. So I lay my head to rest when the sun is rising. I start a brand new day when the moon is shining. I long to be with you in all the places you have been. So today I'm time traveling. So today I am time traveling. To